Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly invest in the S&P 500 using Robinhood. It is a simple and effective way to build a diversified portfolio. So let's dive in. First, you will need to open the Robinhood app and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one and complete the verification process. And next, in the search bar, type in S&P 500 ETFs to find exchange-traded funds that track the S&P 500 index. Popular options include SPY, VOO, and IVV. Choose an ETF that suits your investment goals. Then click on it. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the details, and confirm your purchase. And that's how you quickly invest in the S&P 500 on Robinhood. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.